Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I'm going to teach you how to flip or mirror my cabinet from this side and this side, so both look alike lah. Okay, so some of the cabinet we don't have the mirror button, so we can just copy and paste go there. Okay, alright. So first thing first, we have to group our cabinet. Okay, so let's group it up. So hold Control button. Okay, Control button, left click, select all cabinet. Oops, where's the cabinet mode first? Okay, select all the cabinets. Saw all the red line or not? Red line means connect. Is selected. Okay, Control G, group it up. Okay, combination. So let's call it cabinet 01 or something. Alright, then press favorite. Okay, then I put this one unnamed lah, or I put YOLO. Okay, alright. Then next, come to favorite here. Okay, my mouse come here, select this. Then I find my YOLO. If you put unnamed, if you never put anything, it will become at the all lah. Alright. Okay, next you will load. Yeah, so there's our cabinet. So just drag and drop like this. Okay, then Z. So we turn Z 3 axis. So hold shift, like left click, hold shift, left click, select everything. Okay, rotate. This is 90. Rotate one more time. 90. Okay, like this. On the 0 go 0 on the wall. Okay, so these two cabinets has flipped, right? Correct or not? So select shift, everything, ungroup, Control B, so now ungroup. Okay, press OK, ungroup it. So I select my this cabinet select okay, then press Z. Okay, I move, go there, then press Z, I move, come here. Okay, then this one, make it to 0, then select this one and make it to 0. Okay, look like this. So when I press O, open, and now you see, since my door is wrong side, never mind, so now we flip. So select door, so not this swing door right, from left to right, same as this, from left to right, same as here, so from right to left. Then you press O, then it will look like this. Okay, some of the object you mirror, it won't be look like mirror lah. Okay, but basically most of it you have to self manually lah. Alright, that's it for today. Please like and share. Alright, bye.